Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. I hope you were able to get outside and play a little bit yesterday. I know it got kind of cold after our Google Hangout yesterday, so I'm not sure if many of you got to go out or not. Today, that's Finn. He's very excited this morning about your foundations test. Want to say hi? Say hi. He's also excited because I have food in my pocket. All right, so today we're going to do a foundations test. I'll go ahead and do that with you. And like I said, constantly pause or rewind me if you need to. Don't worry about any of that. In math today, you're going to be working on numbers 120. So on this page, the front page, I want you to write the number, use tens, ones, and tens to show 3 different ways. Okay, so on this top one, I want you to show me 100. So if you had 100 squares, you would just need one 100 square. And that would equal how many tens are in 100 square? Well, there's 10 tens in 100 square because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Remember, we use that big 100 when we hit the 100th day of school, when we're counting down or counting up the days of school. So you guys have seen those big squares, right? So you just say if you had one big 100, that would actually equal 10 tens, and it would actually equal 100 little ones. Remember, I always say if we take that big 100 square and we cut it into tens, we'd have 10 tens. But if we cut all the little squares out, we'd have 100. Okay. Finn wants to do the homework, I guess. Okay. Then you're going to go ahead and just check out how to do it on the back. There's never going to be more than one 100. Okay. So, and then you'll count your tens, and you'll count your ones like always and create some numbers with those. So you have a couple on these pages, 3 more on that, and then on the back, just another 3. So it'll be pretty quick and easy. So I want you to go ahead and try the homework page since there's only 4 questions on that as well. All right, any questions, just go ahead and email me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the foundations test today. I'll go ahead and do that dictation with you. And then after it, there's a story called The Skunk. Have your moms and dads have you read that to them. And when you do the timer, stop at a minute and just see how far you made it in a minute, and then keep reading the story. It's always great to finish the story. All right. So see how far you can get in a minute, stop the timer, and then keep reading until you get to the end. And you can even write at the end how long it took you to read the whole thing. Maybe it takes you 1 minute and 50 seconds. Maybe it takes you 2 minutes and 10 seconds. I don't know. So go ahead and do that. This one here is called The Skunk. So hopefully none of you have ever met a skunk. All right. So we're going to go ahead and you're going to get your dictations test out. I have the answer sheet in case moms or dads need to slowly go over it. Don't worry about marking sounds and don't worry about marking in a sentence. The only thing you're going to mark are the words, okay? All right, first sound, number 1, shh. Number 2, k. Now remember, that could be 3 different answers, so just pick one that says k. Number 3, eh. Number 4, onk. Number 5, am. Okay, now we're going to go on to the 5 words. Here we go. First word, slant. The line was at a slant. Here we go, slant. S-l and t. Number 2, twist. T-w-i-s-t. Twist. Number 3, slums. Here we go. S-l-a-m-p-s. Slumps. Slumps. Okay. Number 4, blended. I blended all the ingredients together yesterday. Blended. Here we go. B-l-e-n-d-id. Because you did it yesterday. So there's a nice suffix on that, okay? Blended. Number 5, trusting. I am trusting that you're working hard on this. Here we go. Let's do first the base word trust, and then we'll do the suffix. Here we go. Trust. T-r-a-st. Suffix ing. So we should have kind of done that for number 4 too, for blended. Okay, base word, then the suffix. All right, the 2 sentences. Sentence number 1. How could Frank get stung? So must have been maybe a little boy Frank was playing outside and he came in and his mom's like, oh my goodness, how did Frank get stung? So she's asking a question. So think about what that has to end with, okay? Remember what your sentences always begin with. I'll say it again. Let's go slow. How could Frank get stung? How could Frank get stung? All right, sentence number 2. I am thinking about the quiz. So maybe it's a teacher thinking about the quiz she's going to have to give her kids when she gets back to school. Maybe it's a little kid thinking about the quiz they have at school that day. So it's someone thinking about a quiz. All right, ready? I'll say it again slowly, and then you say it after me. I am thinking about the quiz. Perfect. And then I'm just telling you, so think about what that has to end with and remember what it has to begin with. So you can do your dictation test today. You can do your math going up to 120 with place value. You're going to do a writing prompt or a free write today. And all your Earth Day and planting stuff should be done at this point, and that you can just keep all at home. And tomorrow you get to pick up your new packet. So that will be exciting, and I'll explain a lot of the things in the packet because there's a lot in there. So just don't like rip through it and go through everything and be like, because there's a lot of pieces in there I don't want you to lose. So just go carefully through it, keep it all together in a safe spot, and I'll explain everything. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'm going to start a new Ready Freddy book today. So that will be back this afternoon. Bye, guys.